Hey, hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is Reflexing Mage. If this is your first time visiting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And also turn on the notification icon, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I transform this simple backdrop to this artistic backdrop. We just use simple click. Unlike the other manipulation we do, the other colors of backdrop, which usually give us hard time. When it comes to white backdrop, it's very easy to actually do what manipulate, especially when the subject or the model is actually wearing a dark skin outfit. So it will be easy for you to separate the background from the subject. And also the overlay I'll be using this picture be given to you guys. Just go to my telegram, join my telegram today. And don't also forget to like and subscribe on this video. So the rest of the overlays are available for sale in my store. You can just go and purchase my 2025 files there. So there are tons of overlay where you can use to practice and actually make your picture look more nice. So with no further ado, let's jump into action. The first thing you need to do is to adjust the picture, which I've done. The picture was taken in Canon 6D, Canon R USR ISO 200, a 15mm prime lens, aperture 4.5, shutter speed 1/160 per second. So you can see all the details here. So once I'm done with everything I want to do here, what I just need to do is to open my picture in Photoshop. So I'll wait for it to load up. This is what we want to achieve here. The first thing you need to do is to do what? Is to crop a picture to the size where you want it to be. So the size I want, which I usually use, is my 4x5 pixel. So to do that, I'll go to my crop tool, which is over here. You can see the moment I went to my crop tool is actually cutting the board which is starting on. So just drag from the down. We want to actually widen the backdrop. We want there to be enough space on the backdrop. So widen from down, widen it from top also. Don't mind all this area over here. We're going to work on everything. So click on OK. Once you're done with this right now, the next thing you need to do is to do what? Is to retouch your picture. But you guys know I don't retouch my picture in whatever video I do. I do retouching videos separately, to not waste our time. So the next thing I want to do right now is to do what? Probably I'm done with my retouching. Flatten your image back to the background layer. For you to do that, Control Shift and E should be able to achieve that for you. Then the next thing we need to do is to pick our quick selection tool, then Control J on our background layer. Time around, click on select subject. So let's wait for it to load up. Let it select our subject for us. Though it's not going to give us 100% of what you want, but it's going to give us an head start so that it won't take much time in cropping out the picture. And boom, look at what it gives to us right now. So let me zoom in very well. As you can see, he did a pretty good job, but AI will always be AI. So let me do what? Click on my addition, and I'm going to add this area to the selection. I'll add this area up. So if I see the quick selection can't do it for me, let's go to another one. Let's pick up polygonal axle tool. So let's add the addition here. I'm going to add this area to the selection. You can see I'll add this area to the selection. So let's see what other area is it giving us our time also again. So now look at the hand right now. The highlight here is too much, so it's unable to actually identify that this is part of the hand. So I'm going to add this to the selection also. I'm going to add this to the selection. I'm going to add this to the selection. So which other area again? Okay, this area also. Subtraction. I'm going to add this. All these are not necessary, but if you have to change the color of backdrop, that's when you're going to know you have issues. But if you have to use still white backdrop, I don't think anybody will begin to notice that. So let's add this area also. But just make sure whatever you're doing manipulation, background remover is one of the best steps you need to actually pay attention to. Make any mistake there, please go back. If not, you're going to regret it while you're in the midst of manipulating backgrounds. So let's see. Okay, this caption styling is not 100% selecting. So let's add it to part of our selection. Let's add it to part of our selection right now. Let's add it. So all of that thing, you can remove this and you can leave it. It's not necessary. So let's leave this right now. So let's say we're done with selection right now. Just right click on it. Go to feather. Make sure you're feathering by 2 pixels. You can use 3, but I use 2 almost every time. Click on my OK. Then I'm going to create a mask on it. Once I'm done, so if you have to turn off your background layer, we see we have our subject alone without the backdrops. Let's turn this on back right now. Go back to the background layer, then Control J on it again, or Command J, whatever. If you're using the MacBook, is Command. If you're using a Windows, is Control. So once you're done right now, all you just need to do is to do what? Hold down your Control key, click on the marks of your subject layer. As you can see, you're going to bring back selection for you. So go to Select, Just select, go to modify, then click on expand. So right now we'll be expanded by 8 pixel. We'll be expanded by 8 pixel. Click on OK. So the next thing we're doing, we are going to be adding this area that I want to fill the initial backdrop with our selection. Click my rectangle marker tool, make sure it's an addition. I'm going to scroll from the top first. You can see I'll scroll from this side. But as you can see, when I'm scrolling, I'm actually adding part of the backdrop to the selection. But you're going to know where to sample from to fill this area up. So let me add this also. Let me add this. Let me do it from this side also again, and also from the bottom. So what I just need to do right now is just to right click on it. I'll go to fill. Under fill, I'll make sure my content away is turned on. Then I'll click on OK. So let's wait for it to load up. To actually give us very accurate results. It's going to fill all this area up with the white initial backdrop. So someone might think that is how white our studio backdrop is. So let's wait and see what it's going to give to us right now. Don't forget, all my files are available for sale on my store. And just go there today and make purchase, and I'm going to help your picture editing skills, both in manipulation, retouching, etc. So it's going to save you a lot of time and it's going to give you high-end results. Just go and make purchase today, and boom, just as I said, look at what it did for us. It filled every area up with the initial backdrop. So Control D to deselect right now. So the next thing we need to do is to smoothen everything, but this step is actually not necessary. But let's just try it again. First thing first, let's go to our part 2. Look at this area over here. So circle on it, drag it to a cleaner area. Same here also, drag it to a cleaner area. Same here also, drag it to a cleaner area. Same here also, same here, drag it to a cleaner area. So Control D to select. Next thing we need to do right now is to do what? Let's go and bring in our backdrop right now. So I just go to my file manager where my backdrop is located. This is the one I'll be using. I drag it down to my Photoshop. You can see. So just have to expand it till I see fit. Then I'll drag it to the area I want it to be. I want it to be around this way. It's okay. I'll click on my OK. So, but the issue I'm having right now is the moment I brought in this backdrop, my initial shadow, which is on the floor, which is reflecting on the floor, is no longer there, which is very easy thing to do. So just create a mask on it. Create a mask. Pick your normal brush. Make sure the color is on black. So scroll over the area you want to clean off. Just scroll over it. So it's going to bring your initial backdrop for you back. Scroll over it. Think around this way is okay. Around this way is okay. You can see right now. Next thing you need to do is to do what? Click on the background itself, then go to filter, under filter, go to blur, then go to Gaussian blur. Wait for it to load out. So blur the background out a little bit. Sorry, Gaussian blur, Gaussian blur. So blur it out a little bit. I think about 18 is okay. Click on my OK. Next thing I need to do right now is under the opacity, I'll bring it down, and boom, giving us something very nice. So let's just color grade our picture, then we'll call it a day. Or before we color grade, let's add a little bit of what should I call it? A little bit of white to the footer area. We don't want our foot to actually show very well. So create an empty new layer on top your subject. Then make sure you pick your color to be sample from the background color. I think this is okay. Then pick your normal gradient. This is gradients. Open it up. Then pick the one you want, which is from the color to nothing. Make sure it's on color to nothing. Click on OK. So drag from the down, something like this, and boom. Look at how artistic our picture is looking. You can just add a little bit of doof at the top to make it look very nice also. And you can leave it this way. So let me just go to my color grading lots. Everything I use is available for sale on my store. So let's go and make purchase today. They're going to help your picture editing skills. So go to my adjustment layer, click on my color lookup. Under it, click on load 3D load. I'm going to scroll down to which one? Okay, let's use natural color. Boom. This is too much and it's changed my background color. So bring the opacity down till you see fit. And boom, we just achieved a great result. So let's check out our before and after right now. Here is the before of our picture and here is the after. Very simple and straightforward. So if this video helps one way or another, kindly drop a like.
So in case you're interested in getting any of my picture editing file, from my overlays down to my color lookup, which is my lot file, so you just have to scroll down to your video. So under the comment, this is my description. So it's not going to load the description for you. You just have to click on show more, click on it. So it's going to show all the options. Once it does that, just click on my store link. So here's my store link. Once you click on it, it's going to take you directly to my store. So you can actually select any file you want. From the color lookup, this is a light skin LUTs. This is a feather which I use in my recent video. This is 100 premium baby overlays. This is my first video course. This video course entails on how to download all the files I want. The site I use in downloading all my files free of charge, including my Photoshop panels also. This includes my PNG files. This includes all my packs, all my picture editing files, my premium overlay, my PNG, my flying fabrics, my color lookup, my presets. So once you buy this, you've already bought everything apart from this one. So here is my flying fabrics. Here is my, in case you want to give me any project for me to work on. Here's my color lookup. Here is my background overlay, and here is my presets file. So in case you're interested in buying anyone, you can actually go for them. The good news there is that you can actually buy your own currency, any currency of your choice. You can buy with any currency of your choice.